Everyone's talking about OpenClaw, but what even is it? Ever wish you had a personal assistant that never sleeps, costs nothing, and actually remembers what you told it last week? That's OpenClaw. But here's why people are losing their minds over it. Most AI chatbots, they're basically really smart parrots. You ask a question, they answer, and then poof, they forget you even exist. Every conversation starts from zero. OpenClaw doesn't play that game. This thing runs 24/7 on your own computer, a Raspberry Pi, even a Mac Mini. And while you're sleeping, eating, or binge watching Netflix, it's working, managing your calendar, sorting your emails, tracking stocks, running automations you set up once and forget about. Here's the crazy part. It actually has memory. You tell it you want updates when Tesla stock drops 5%. Done. It'll hit you up on Telegram the second it happens. You don't check it. It checks for you. And unlike those subscription apps charging you $29 a month, OpenClaw is completely free, open source, built by a developer who basically said, why should AI assistants cost money when you can run them yourself? You plug in any AI model you want, Claude, GPT, whatever. Connect it to Telegram or Slack, and suddenly you've got an AI agent that doesn't just chat. It takes action. No middleman. No data mining. Just pure automation working for you. So yeah, that's why 65,000 people started this thing on GitHub in record time. It's not just another chatbot. It's an AI that actually does stuff. Want me to break down more AI tools that are actually changing the game? Drop a comment. I read every single one.